Welcome back to VU Gate. Today we are covering the CS201 Introduction to Programming Midterm MCQs, featuring the 40 most important questions. Let's start with our first question. Question number 1. C++ language was developed by blank. The correct answer is Bjarne Stroustrup. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following operator is used for insertion in a stream with count? The correct answer is the stream insertion operator, represented by two less than signs. Now for the third question. Which of the following operator is used for extraction in a stream with sin? The correct answer is the stream extraction operator, represented by two greater than signs. Heading to question number 4. Every executable C++ statement must end with a blank. The correct answer is semicolon. Next up is question number 5. What is the standard size of an int data type variable in C++ on most 32-bit systems? The correct answer is 4 bytes. Let's check out the sixth question. Which loop structure in C++ guarantees to execute at least once? The correct answer is do-while loop. Moving forward to question number 7. What is the index number of the first element in a C++ array? The correct answer is 0. Now for question number 8. The data type char occupies blank of memory. The correct answer is 1 byte. Let's move to the ninth question. Which of the following is a valid identifier name in C++? The correct answer is student_age. Here is question number 10. What is the logical AND operator in C++? The correct answer is double ampersand. Moving on to question 11. What is the logical OR operator in C++? The correct answer is double vertical bar. Now for question 12. Which escape sequence is used to move the cursor to a new line? The correct answer is \n. Let's look at the 13th question. Which escape sequence is used to insert a horizontal tab space? The correct answer is \t. Heading over to question 14. The addressive operator is represented by the symbol blank. The correct answer is ampersand. Next is question 15. A pointer variable is used to store blank. The correct answer is memory address of a variable. Let's move to question 16. Which statement is used to immediately terminate the execution of a loop or switch block? The correct answer is break. Now for question 17. Which statement is used to skip the current iteration and move to the next iteration of a loop? The correct answer is continue. Moving to the 18th question. The process of a function calling itself is known as blank. The correct answer is recursion. Here is question 19. What will be the result of the arithmetic expression 5 divided by 2 in integer division? The correct answer is 2. Next up is question 20. The modulus operator, which is the percentage sign, returns the blank of an integer division. The correct answer is remainder. Let's look at question 21. The modulus operator can be applied to which type of data? The correct answer is int. Moving to question 22. Functions that do not return any value must have a return type of blank. The correct answer is void. Now for question 23. Variables declared inside a function block are called blank variables. The correct answer is local. Heading to question 24. Variables declared outside all functions are called blank variables. The correct answer is global. Next is question 25. In call by blank, a copy of the actual value is passed to the function. The correct answer is value. Let's check out question 26. In call by blank, the actual memory address or reference of the variable is passed to the function. The correct answer is reference. Moving forward to question 27. What is the default return type of a function if it is not explicitly specified? The correct answer is int. Now for question 28. Array elements are always stored in blank memory locations. The correct answer is contiguous. Let's look at question 29. If an array is declared as int r with 5 elements in square brackets, what is the index of the last element? The correct answer is 4. Turning now to question 30. A two-dimensional array can be thought of as a table consisting of blank. The correct answer is rows and columns. Moving on to question 31. How do you correctly declare a pointer to an integer named ptr? The correct answer is int, followed by an asterisk and then ptr. Now for question 32. A collection of different data types grouped together under a single name is called a blank. The correct answer is structure. Let's check out question 33. Members of a structure variable are accessed using the blank operator. The correct answer is dot operator. Heading over to question 34. Which keyword is used to define a structure in C++? The correct answer is struct. Next up is question 35. What is the output of the expression count stream insertion? 5 is greater than 3, logical and 2 is less than 1? The correct answer is 0. Let's move to question 36. Which header file must be included to use standard input-output streams like syn and count? The correct answer is iostream inside angle brackets. Now for question 37. Preprocessor directives always begin with which symbol? The correct answer is the hash symbol. Here is question 38. What is the output of the code snippet? Integer x equals 10, then count stream insertion x++. The correct answer is 10. Let's look at question 39. What is the output of the code snippet? Integer x equals 10, then count stream insertion ++ x. The correct answer is 11. Finally, question 40. To free up dynamically allocated memory using new, we use the blank operator. The correct answer is delete. That is all for this quiz. Thanks for watching VU Gate. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.